12.3-inch AICMS HD electronic mirror for blind spot monitoring. R46 certified, Class 2, for compliant. Wide-angle view. Eliminates driver blind spots. Dual vision HD camera. Real-time 108p HD monitoring. Customized calibration of warning areas. Intelligent detection of many types of pedestrians. Easy lane change. Safe reversing. Automatically adjusting the brightness of the display. Improve the visual effect of the image. Night vision ultra-low light technology. Dark light environment. The image is still clearly visible. Replaces traditional exterior mirrors. Clear vision when driving in rain, fog and snow. Automatic loop recording and playback function. Support 512GB SD card storage.